Hello friends, myself Professor Dr. Manpreet Singh Manna. I just want to share my small insights with the new upcoming educators coming to the industry, coming to the market. They should have to be understand what is the Viksit Bharat and how we have to be cope up with this Viksit Bharat mission given by a very honorable Prime Minister of my country. Come up with the skills, come with the courage, come with the confidence, come with the commitment, come with the conviction, because you have earned the degrees with your all choices. But at the same time, industry choices change every day, every minute, because technology is so fast and economics are going to be so fast in this, and we have to become a number 3 in world. So that what level of skills we are looking, what level of commitment we are looking from the today's youngsters, you understand very well. And I'm sure all of you are with the sync with your university system, with your alumni matter, and of course with your mentor, to be coming and to give the best to the industry with your best skills, which you are going to be on not only in the classroom, even beyond the classroom. So the online teaching is equally beneficial to all of you, and you have to have the internship training. All this has to be going to be incentivized in your future endeavors, and I'm sure you are going to be cope up with the same. Thank you.